Last night I made a booty call. Woke a girl from me Persian, rub me with the girl upon. Then a hot girl I get it on. So me swear say I did, she I did the way the girl I gone. She a beg me for settle down. So me swing it from the left, from the right, and she still a moan. Yeah, I got her in the glory zone. So everything they say or anything me do, she have to grow. Work them hard and keep them coming. Keep them coming, coming, coming. All that I do now, walk them good and keep them coming. Keep them coming, coming, coming. She heard my song on the radio. Said the tone of my voice when I sing make she had to go. Drop by at the studio. Said she got a new man and he bought her a rodeo. Wanna flex to the feature show, but she end up in my bedroom watching dirty videos. Everybody know the dealio. Have a girl for me ends and you know how it a go. Work them fast and keep them coming. Keep them coming, coming, coming. All that I do now, walk them good and keep them coming. Keep them coming, coming, coming. Oh, bring it on, bring it woke a girl from me Persian, rub me here the girl upon. And a hot girl I get it on. So me swear say I did, she I did the way the girl I gone. She a beg me for settle down. So me swing it from the left, from the right, and she still a moan. Yeah, I got her in the glory zone. So everything they say or anything they do, she have to grow. Work them right and keep them coming. Keep them coming, coming, coming. All that I do now, walk them good and keep them coming. Keep them coming, coming, coming. Oh, work them right and keep them coming. Keep them coming, coming, coming. All that I do now, walk them good and keep them coming. Keep them coming, coming, coming. Work them right and keep them coming. Keep them coming, coming, coming. All that I know now, walk them good and keep them coming. Keep them coming, coming, coming. Anytime, boy, baby. One of these fine days, we're gonna meet again. There won't be no denomination. One of these days, we're gonna meet again. With people from different nations. One of these fine days, we're gonna meet again. There won't be no denomination. One of these days, we're gonna meet again. With people from different culture. I'm pressing on right now to the mark of the higher calling. There are obstacles in my way, but I won't worry cause the wicked has fallen. And the King of Kings is alive. I'm adhering to my master calling. Though I see tribulation and strife,